Good afternoon. It's Sunday, August 16th, and this is the severe weather breakdown for our area today, the Burlington area. We are outside of the slight risk area by just a little bit, probably just 50 miles east of the edge of the slight risk, the level 2 risk. But we are under a hazardous weather outlook that the National Weather Service in Goodland has put out. And I'll just kind of summarize that. It's for Yuma, Kit Carson, Cheyenne counties in Colorado, and then other counties in Kansas for later this evening. But they, to summarize it, they read it this way: this afternoon and evening, there is a low chance, but a chance, for severe storms mainly in eastern Colorado. There is a slight chance this evening that the potential could spread into extreme northwest Kansas and southeast Nebraska, or southwest Nebraska. Wind gusts up to 60 miles an hour and large hail, which they're calling quarter-sized hail, large hail in this case. They're the primary hazards. Monday and Tuesday, there is another chance of a low chance they list again for severe weather during the afternoon and evening, but we're not even in any of those risks right now. There is a mesocyclone discussion that was issued earlier, just a couple of hours ago, I think, and it's just to our west, but it extends out to Flagler, which is pretty close. So with the erratic movement of these storms and with the heating that we're kind of seeing through the afternoon, I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if it doesn't affect us in the end. But the mesocyclone discussion is precipitation discussion, and it's concerning heavy rainfall with flash flooding likely. Scattered thunderstorms will continue to expand in coverage across Colorado and New Mexico today, with at least a few instances of flash flooding expected through the early evening hours. As storms continue to expand in coverage over the next few hours, slow movement, and again, just like yesterday, slow movement, some of those storms were barely moving, they will enable spots of 1 inch per hour rain rates to develop. If we move forward and look at the HRRR, one of the models I use for chasing, concerning the severe weather, it shows most of it in like the 7 to 8 o'clock hour, which is kind of when this line of storms will get out to us. Most of the severe weather looks to be like up in the Sterling to Sidney, Nebraska area. So, and then again, another portion of the severe weather, like in the Lamar to La Junta area, with us just kind of in the middle of that with the potential for heavy rainfall. So I don't think the chances are real high that we're going to see any hail of any type, but wind and rain we could definitely see, and as far as the rain goes, we could definitely use that. Those storms will persist through 11, 12 o'clock tonight, and so could our rain, hopefully before all of this moves off into Kansas. So that's really kind of it. It's not a real big severe threat, but there is a potential. These are erratic storms. Things change on an hourly basis, so just keep an eye out. We could see possibly some hail. I kind of doubt it, but hopefully some really good rainfall. So kind of stay weather aware, watch the sky a little bit. Won't be going live today, I don't believe, for any of this. I don't think the severe potential is really there for that. So have a great Sunday and enjoy the rest of your weekend. Thanks.